and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to play Hello by Adele. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and also make sure that the nails on your chord hand are really short. This will make it so that you can press the strings without getting like mutes or weird sounds. But first, if you would like to see song tutorials like this one, learn how to play ukulele from scratch, see unboxings and reviews, then subscribe to this channel. Alrighty, now we can get started. Okay, let's review the chords used in this song. Thankfully, there are not that many, so we can do them. The first one, and probably the most used one, would be E minor. It's a staircase. Then you're going to jump to G. Look at my hand real quick. My hand is going to pivot inward. And then we have G chord like this. A mistake a lot of beginners make is that they play G chord kind of parallel to the fret, and then they get like, upset when it doesn't work. So pivot the hand inwards and then curve it. And then you should get G. Next we have D chord. I like to use these 3 fingers on the 2nd fret here. But I know there are some people that bar this way. If you bar, just make sure you're not touching this A string. Just bar on those top 3 strings that are closest to your face. Next we have C. And the final chord is B minor. To play B minor, you can bar the entire 2nd fret and then put your ring finger on the 4th. If you feel like B minor is too challenging for you right now, then what you can do is bar or press these 3 strings and only play those 3. So don't touch that top one, please, just the bottom 3. And that would be a B minor as well. The original song is played with a capo on the 1st fret, but I know not everyone has a capo, so I'm just going to play it without it. However, if you would like to make your own capo, check the card. I forget which side of the screen it's on, but check the card so that you can make your own capo. Okay, so the intro goes a little something like this. Pay special attention to the spacing or the time between the chords. Okay, try it with me if you're ready. 1, 2, ready, go. Try again, reset. 1, 2, intro, ready, go. So you'll notice that the spacing is not even. It's not like 1, 2, 1, 2. That's not the case at all. So put your ukulele down real quick. We're gonna learn how to like strum at the right times. So if we think about the beat as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and say that with me. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I don't know if you said it. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, say go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're going to strum on 1 and the end of 2. So we're going to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just watch me, don't play, just watch. Ready and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So hopefully that makes more sense as far as the strumming goes. Clap it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, you get it. So let's try to strum on the right beat using E minor and G. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Try again, this time keep going. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so now let's apply what you have learned to the intro and the verse. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Hello. 1 and 2. the chords in the pre-chorus. I will play it first and then we will do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. At the end of the pre-chorus, you can add some down strums to lead into the chorus. Like to really pump it. That's entirely up to you. Alrighty, now we are at the chorus. This is the only other part of the song that's different, so you are almost done with the whole song. Watch me do the chords first and then we'll do it together. 1, 2, 3, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and... Okay, so now let's try the chorus together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now that you have learned the chord patterns of all the different sections, let's play a little bit of each one. Here we go. Intro verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, intro. Verse. Hello, it's me. Alright, now let's do the pre-chorus. Get ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, pre-chorus, go. Difference between us and we're running out. Alrighty, and finally, let's do the chorus section. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. So now you've learned all of the parts to be able to play Adele's Hello by yourself. Congratulations! Remember that these tutorials are not meant to be mastered in one sitting. It's something that you practice maybe in the morning, maybe at night, every day for about a week or two, and then you master it. So focus on one song, master that one, and then move on to the next one. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something, and I hope that you will come back to this channel. As always, see you in the next one. Sayonara!